So I'm making a new video this morning. They're out here and they just harvested this one rice field out here, and they took and cut it all by hand because it's not a really big field. And today they're taking the rice pieces off of the rice stalk and putting the rice in bags. You see the rice comes out down here in the front. And it starts off just as that. Amazing machine, look at that. It throws all the crap over the fence. And the goats eat it, so nothing goes to waste. So that's goat food over there. That's people food. And all the guy does is just shove it in the machine and keep his hands from getting in there. I'm quite sure it wouldn't do you any good. Oh, I think it takes the skins off the rice as well. No, it doesn't. But he's cleaning it up extra by dumping it in the machine twice, see? And they get a big bag of rice. Wow, what a machine. Very cool machine, this one. I don't know exactly why they run it through 2 times. That must be to clean it up better, get the little pieces of stem and shit off of it. Man, this is not a place to be if you got hay fever, I'll tell you. Separates it out, boy, it's amazing. That guy just dumping it in. Wowee. So that was this field right here. Using plants to tie the bags off. Very cool. And then as soon as the rice harvested, out come the goats. And they'll eat out here and they'll clean up a lot more of the field. And then they'll come aerate it all. And I think then they just run the Kaliklik, that's the little hand tractor, over it again. And redo the rice one more time. Anyway, there it is. It's a well I had dug. Full of water now. There's the house. Second floor is almost done. It's a big house. I don't know exactly how big, but I'm going to guess it's close to 5,000 square feet, something like that. A little more, a little less. It's pretty big. Oh, we're enjoying it. We will be. There she is. smiling, picking up the laundry. They're working on putting the deck up today. Well, they started working on the deck, so they got to build the scaffolding first. And then I'll do the rest. By the end of next week, we'll have a deck. And then by the end of the next week, we'll be able to walk on it. So there's the 3rd floor bedroom up there. That's the master bedroom over there. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the videos. Subscribe. Check out my Facebook page, Sailor Marrow. And have a good day. See you now.